Alright, tigers. This is specifically for sleeping tigers. From November, December, January, February, all 4 months are gone. But still, many tigers are sleeping. In my last video, I had said as on 31st January, 42,000 tigers were still sleeping. This month, some have woken up. 14,000 tigers have submitted their life certificate, but still 28,000 tigers are sleeping. Today, we are in 5th March. As you know, on March 20, HRMS will close. Thereafter, even if we wake up, we will not be able to submit our life certificate. Even these 28,000 pensioners are for about 11% of the total pensioners, and it is not a small figure. You just imagine that on 27th of March, Mr. Shyamlal, pensioner of Daryaganj branch, he goes to the branch on 27th March for withdrawal of his pension. As usual, his grandchild accompanies him. He is happy, he has got the money. Child is happy that he is going to get a treat. In other situation, Mr. Ramlal, he is a pensioner of Lal Kuwa branch. He also went inside with his grandchild, but unfortunately, he didn't get pension for want-term balance because his pension was not created. His grandson was surprised that his grandfather, for 4.5 months, he has not done a small job, just submitting life certificate. You tell me, these 11,000 tigers, you tell me these 28,000 tigers who are still sleeping, which scene you will prefer? Your grandchild should be happy for the treat, or he should be unhappy? He should be unhappy and laughing at his grandfather. So I would request you, during these 15 days from today, 5th March to 20th March, please wake up, submit your life certificate. Submit today or tomorrow, you have to submit. You may delay for a month, you may delay for 2 months, but by that time your pension will stop. So don't delay. You are already delayed for 4 months. All the best. I hope all grandchildren of all the pensioners will definitely get a chocolate. They will get a good treat because all pensioners will get pension on 27th March. Now I request you to like this video, subscribe for this video, and also share with all the pensioners, especially those tigers who are sleeping. Let them wake up. Let them wake up. You also wake up and you tell others also. Lastly, Corona has not yet gone. Corona is very much with us. We are not to be afraid of it. We have to be only careful. Don't leave your house without mask. If any work is there, please wear your mask and leave house, and be careful. Don't be fearful, because all of us, we have to submit many more life certificates every year, and then carefully we will survive and we will surely submit many more life certificates. Thank you.